Now number 4, we are having unit vector. Now unit vector, a unit vector is a vector. A unit vector is a vector with magnitude one. As the sense of a unit is 1, so a unit vector is a vector with magnitude 1. It is denoted by a circumflex above the symbol it is denoted by a circumference above the symbol representing a vector like this. Circumflex above the symbol, it is like this one, and is read as a cap. Always whenever it is written like this, we will be saying a cap. Okay. A unit vector is a vector with magnitude 1. It is denoted by a circumflex above the symbol representing a vector. Now a cap, and it is read as a cap, where modulus of a cap is equal to 1. Okay. Now we can represent it. We are having now vector A. Now it can be represented like with a cap. Okay, one answer, because this is 1. So 1 times the modulus of vector A, it will be the same. So vector A is equal to vector A. Okay, or a cap is equal to vector A upon its modulus. So to this, what we can write it now? We can write it unit vector is equal to vector upon modulus of a vector. Okay. So this was a very nice definition for a unit vector. Now a cap, then similarly we are having I cap, j cap. These are representing when a vector is parallel to x axis or y axis. Okay. So that we are going to do later on. Now this was only for a unit vector. Now we are having, after unit vector, number 5, equal vector. Now in the equal vector, two vectors are said to be equal when their magnitudes are same and their direction is same. Okay. Two vectors are said to be equal if they have equal magnitude and are in same direction. Okay, then they are called equal vectors. Now, two vectors are said to be equal if they have equal magnitude and are in same directions. Now, regardless to their initial point, vectors are set to be equal if they are parallel. Regardless to their initial point, vectors are said to be equal if they are parallel in same direction. With equal magnitude. Now, for example, we are having A and B. Suppose their magnitude is also equal and they are also in the same direction. Okay, so these can be equal vectors. Okay, now equality of two vectors. Now, simply what we can do it, vector A is equal to vector B if their modulus are equal, or you can say magnitude are equal, and vector A is parallel to vector B. Okay, vector A is equal to vector B when their magnitude is equal and they are parallel to each other. Now, number 6. Negative of a vector. Now, a vector having same magnitude as that of a given vector having a vector having same magnitude as that of a given vector having sense, or we can write it as of a given vector same magnitude as that of a given vector but directed to the opposite sense. Directed to the opposite sense. Or we can write it same in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, same in magnitude but opposite in direction is called a negative vector. Now, if vector A is equal to, suppose we are having, then negative of vector A will be represented as negative of vector A, and this will be BA, like this. So, this is a negative of a vector. So, if directions are opposite, then